Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today we're making chicken shawarma. Shawarma is a popular street food from the Middle East. It's made from stacked spice meats on a vertical rotisserie. It's usually served on wraps or a pita, but today our shawarma is being served in bite-sized chunks made in an air fryer. Let's get started. For our shawarma spice, we need to combine 2 teaspoons of oregano, cinnamon, cumin, coriander, salt, allspice, and a ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give this a nice little stir to get everything incorporated together before we season our chicken. In this bowl, I have about, I'd say about 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken breast that I've cut into bite-sized pieces. And to that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm going to take our little shawarma spice bomb, and I'm going to sprinkle that in here, and we're going to coat the chicken pieces. Before we cook our chicken in the air fryer, we need to marinate this for at least 30 minutes, up to 24 hours is fine. We want to make sure we get the full effect of all these spices before we air fry it. So here she is preheating. I have always been intimidated by my air fryer. It just seems like it was just too difficult to understand, and I cooked a couple recipes which I'll leave links to in the description below in the air fryer. But then I did something. I read the owner's manual, and I'm telling you, it's made a world of difference. So my air fryer beeped telling me that it's preheated, and I'm going to take the basket out, and we'll take our chicken shawarma from earlier, and I think I'm just going to dump it in there, and then we're going to spread it out. So we're just going to spread it out in here so that everything is evenly distributed. All right, so we'll just put this back in. And now it's gonna cook the chicken shawarma for 15 minutes. And then we're done. We're done. Hear the beep? Let's see what we have. Here's our chicken shawarma out of the air fryer. Now I know it doesn't look like much now coming right out of the air fryer, but it will. The aroma of those shawarma spices are really coming through. It smells so good. So we're gonna plate and put some tzatziki sauce on there. So I've actually decided to make my chicken shawarma into a salad. This is some arugula with some carrots and a little bit of cheese. And I'm just gonna plate this and put the chicken shawarma on top. Here we go with our chicken shawarma. And I'm just placing that on top of the arugula. And now for some tzatziki sauce. This is like a yogurt sauce with cucumbers. It has some garlic in it, some lemon. And now there's just one thing left to do, and that is eat. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really think the shawarma turned out perfectly in the air fryer. Not as intimidated with her as much as I was. And it tasted delicious on top of that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love to hear from you. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.